3 weeks and 2 days now, I've been in the hospital. They brought me to the hospital for no reason, without no offense, without no crime. I did not commit any crime, did not offend anybody. They just brought me to the hospital.
Hello, my people. How na dey? Also, na dey fine. Now see this man where dey for my background, so I go put a video. We na just listen small, so I go put am for na more na listen. I believe say most of una don listen to a video. I see this video just dey like fly dey go. Now I say make I listen to this video. So this man come dey talk for inside there say na where e dey? Holland. Una no vex, na Holland e dey. So he say dem don carry his children with his wife, dem don separate them. Okay, say dem don separate them. He say as him dey talk to una, say in dey for hospital wey be say dem dey take care of all those people wey be say Koloment. Now understand? He say na dem come put am make people come make dem come help am he no do anything he no know wetin he do no. The thing come like and I come say na so dem still dey do am for that side. I know say no be so dem still dey do am for that side because most of our people dem no dey tell us wetin dem do. Dem no dey talk the truth. You understand? Dem dey talk am, dey bend am. Now when you go find that, now you come see say something is wrong somewhere. E get wetin e do. Because oyibo no dey craze. Dem no get score wey dem be say dem just like cite you na you. Now dem just target say okay you now we go just carry make we put you for inside because of say then they think say your head not correct. It's not done that way. Something must happen. Something must happen because why? Not be only you one dey for the country. Not be only you one dey for that city. Not be only you one dey for that street where big say now you now dem come carry. So when this man dey talk and say he not do anything na one small girl say he beat am or abi na pick. I don't know as he take talk am na go hear am for inside there. He not do anything, he be innocent to make una come. I was like, no, una dey do something. Mona not dey tell us, una not do anything. Mona not dey tell us, una not do anything. Mona tell us how e be. Either you they give your pikin gbas or your wife, or every day na tell they make problem, or something is wrong somewhere, or e get wetin you do where be say they ask you something. You call, you know, some these people there, some of our people, it get the way they say they get this aggressive of something, you know, the way they can say this one head not correct, or they even use their mouth, they talk and say they not well. If you go tell Ogbalegbe, say maybe Ogbalegbe, they ask you something, or social, you can't tell and say, as you they look me, say, I'm not well, my head not correct, they go right and down. You use your mouth talk and say you know well, say your head not correct because normal person no go come and they talk say as you just they look me say I not get joy, I not well, my head not correct they will say hey, this one say head not correct. Maybe we could come and carry and go where then they put people where be say it gets score. You understand? Because you just see some of them. You go say you not do anything. They don't collect my pikin make una help me make una do this one. They want to help you. If you not talk, wetin happen? They not they talk, they bend the matter. Now so one talk say now she use her mouth tell they say she dey hear noise. You will go tell Ogbalegbe or when you go tell social say you dey hear noise. Shebi they say the knot don't open. Not don't come up for inside there because before you come dey hear noise, meaning before it's too late. Oh yeah, may we carry and go somewhere. Mona they tell us the truth. This one say not do anything now. The other one una no dey do anything. Maybe the something wey be. Why are all these people then they craze? Their hair not correct. Where then they put una for there? Why they not put Mama Mary? Why they not put Mama Joseph? Why they not put Papa the other one? Why it can't be saying now you now they can't choose? Mama they tell us the truth. If you not they tell us the truth, nobody go now make nobody even they do anything or to try to contact anybody say make una go help because now no they talk the truth. Instead of una to talk the truth say na because I dey beat my pikin all the time or na because I dey do gbas to my pikin or to my wife or na because I tell them say I get score na e cause am. Una no go talk, una bend the matter, una go turn upside down. They'll come live video. They'll come they talk say the country where they dey. This one now where be say they Holland. Now Holland that they people come they say now so these people be not be so they be. Now something then they happen. Ogbalegbe social. They no go ever take your pikin if you not do something. They no go ever carry you go hospital where e be say Koloment people dey stay without you are not okay. If you dey okay, why they go carry you go put for there? Why they go carry you put for there? Because they say you are not okay. Either you use your mouth tell them, or you can't dey do piri. You can't dey piri. If they ask you something, you beg go to the other side. They'll say this one, Koloment don't start. May I put the video for now, make una watch. One of they told the truth, because not be alone a day for the country. Why it can't be say now you, now they just choose. You not do anything. Now bye for now. Please send me to love and like and share this video. Goodbye.
The top of my name. Look, for over 3 weeks and 2 days now, I've been in the hospital. They brought me to the hospital for no reason, without no offense, without no crime. I did not commit any crime, did not offend anybody. They just brought me to the psychiatric hospital. They started injecting me just because they want to take my kids from me. I'm in Nigeria. I have 3 kids and wife. My wife is from Enugu, and I'm from Edo State. I have 3 kids, and the name of my kids is Louisa, Aliona, and Baron. They separate me away from my family. They just take them away from. They just take me away from there and bring me to the psychiatric hospital. Start giving me injection. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm perfectly okay. There's nothing wrong with me. There's nothing wrong with me. I am okay. Because they beat my daughter in the school. They don't want the public to know what is happening. That is why they brought me to this place. They want to silence me. They want to kill me and take my children from me. Please, Nigerians, please help me. I'm a Nigerian. All my children, they have passport, Nigeria passport. Please, you people should help me. You people should go for my rescue. The Netherlands people want to kill me. Right now, as I'm talking to you, I am inside the hospital, and my children is in the assassin Namek. Please, you people should come for my rescue, please. Come for my rescue. Come for my rescue. Nigeria Embassy. You people are the one that issued this passport for me. Please come for my rescue. Come for my rescue, please. You people are the one that I need every authority now to stand up for my sake. Very dark man. Please, you people should rise up for my sake. Showore, please. I need everybody to stand up for me. We thought they were going to go back to our country. They refused. We did not offend anybody. We did not commit any crime. I did nothing against them. They are the one that they abused my daughter at school. So I took my daughter from the school straight to the police station and made police report, and I brought her home. Since that time, my daughter is not going to school. She has been at home. Listen, they don't want the whole public to know what is going on. I have a lot of evidence to prove to everybody. I'm tired of them. The place they are now is in Netherlands, Nijmegen, in the assassin. That is where my children are right now. I don't know their next movement. Now I'm calling my wife. The number is not going through. I cannot reach them. They separated us for no reason. Please, Nigeria, please stand up. Come for my rescue, please. I need your help now. I need your help.